One of the most important paintings in the history of art is located here in the Basilica of San Domenico in Arezzo. It is a large painted crucifix by the artist Cimabue and dated to the year 1267. Cimabue is celebrated as being one of the first artists to attempt to break with the Byzantine style of two-dimensional art, better known as painting. And in fact, here in his San Domenico crucifix, he's trying to introduce a greater sense of naturalism, so that the image is not of a God glued to the cross, but of a man instead dying in the most gruesome of manners. You'll notice this expressive S curve to the shape of Christ's body, and to either end of his outstretched hands, the Virgin Mary and St. John, the beloved apostle, both of whom are described in the gospel as being present and witnesses to the crucifix. And in fact, this particular work predates Cimabue's other celebrated crucifix, which is located today in the sacristy of Santa Croce in Florence.